Wow, there's something here. Turns out it's a cute, colorful little dinosaur. The little dinosaur is running really fast. Now, there's a little kid riding a bicycle here. Look how cute he looks while riding. Look quickly, there's a toy here too. How lucky. It's a zebra and it's galloping nonstop. Amazing. I'm sure I picked up a vehicle. Well, let's see what it is. Wow, cement sticks are awesome. Look over here. There's a helicopter. It flies so high. I love this helicopter. Look, what's this? Do you know? Let me tell you, it's an ambulance. That's so cool.